Well, hi guys. The Saltbrothers are in town, or Glenn is anyway. There's my cartmobile, and here I am in the car park. Basically, I've just set up down at Bayeswater Lake, just outside Chelmsford, for a 3-day session. Today is Wednesday, the 30th of May, and I'll be fishing till Saturday night. I've already just set up and cast out my rods, and basically fishing on the bank as you come in, fishing towards the reeds right in the corner, and got all 3 rods out there. And I'll be putting a 4th rod out a bit later on. 4 other anglers on the lake, been fishing today, and so far no fish out. Just starting to rain as well. Okay, catch you later. Well, morning guys. 6 in the morning, first one out this morning. Nice 22-pound mirror. There he is. 22 pounds on the nose, taking on middle rod, slow take, but what a lovely fish. Nicely scaled. I just turn him round. Quite lively. There it is. That's a good start for Bayeswater. Right, well, time to get her back. See you later, guys. Morning guys, 2:10. Just had a 17-pound mirror. Not sure you can see it, it's really late at night. But just weighed it on the scales. Come around the other side. Right hand rod. There it is. Typical average for Bayeswater. Say the average is around about 18-19 pounds, so well pleased with that one. Second one in less than 24 hours. That's about it guys. Get her back in the lake. Cheers. Right guys. Now around about 14 pounds, 14 to 15 pounds. Lovely scaled mirror carp. Good markings. There she is. Right, well, time to get her back, so we'll get another one out tonight. Cheers guys. Well, it's 1:30 in the morning guys. It's a 16-pound mirror. Gave a good fight. Obviously it's quite late at night, so time to get her back in the water. Cheers guys. Well, hi guys, it's coming to the end of the session now. 4 days, total of 5 fish out. I had the last one out about 3:30 this morning. Absolutely pouring down with rain. I didn't bother videoing it. Guess the weight round about 17 to 18 pounds. And then 2 16s I think, and there was a 22 the first day and one other. So for Bayeswater, not a brilliant session, but not too bad either. It's the Jubilee weekend, must be the 3rd of June I think, Sunday. Surprisingly it's a long weekend. There's only there's only 5 anglers on the day ticket lake here at Bayeswater, so not very busy at all, although the forecast isn't too brilliant for today. Just to mention, it's one of the best price day ticket waters probably in Essex. The regulations are here, you have to get a key, which costs £25, and you can buy the key at Bevan Tackle in Chelmsford. You have to take a couple of photos, but basically once you've got the key you can come and go and fish as long and as and when you like. Price wise, the first day, irrespective of how many rods you use, and here you can use up to 4 rods, and the day ticket price is £20 for the first day, and then for each other day it's only £10. So for this 4-day session, total price £50. So very, very well priced. The average size of carp in this lake is probably about £19. There are 8 known 30s. I think if you see the previous video from last year, my brother had a £30 out last year. 8 30s, and there's another couple of 30s being put in the lake from the stock pond in December of this year, so it's going to push it up to about 10 30s. Lake records are £38, 8, and next year I'm sure there will be at least 1, maybe 2 40s in the day ticket lake. So there's a lot of carp in here, good average size. If you get the carp feeding, you can have quite a few out in a day. But also you can sit here for 3 days and catch nothing. Not a large water, around about 3.5 4 acres. There's a small bay behind the pylon, which you can only fish from one side. It's a sanctuary area, and in warm weather, you know, a lot of carp. I've counted in excess of 100 carp have laid up in that bay. Very shallow, very weedy. The main lake, there's a bit of peripheral weed, but in the middle, where it's about 9 to 10 foot deep, silty bottom, nice and clear. So unless anything happens in the next hour, I'll be wrapping up here at Bayeswater, and then tomorrow I'm going back to Crow's Heath to do Monday to Friday. So I'll get this posted as soon as possible and give you an update from Crow's Heath on the next video. Thanks a lot, lads. Cheers.